Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Tuner on Security. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve a web exploitation CTF challenge from Crate-CTF 2023. The challenge is called Lagom är bäst, which is a Swedish idiom meaning the right amount is best, or enough is as good as a feast, or there is virtue in moderation. I've summarized the most important information about the challenge here. As already mentioned, the challenge is within the web exploitation area. The task is to upload a file of a suitable size through a web form in order to find the flag. The challenge is no longer available online as I'm releasing this video, so I'm not able to provide a link to the challenge. Let's jump into the challenge. Let's go for Lagom är bäst. We're supposed to upload a file which has an adequate size. An adequate file size. So let's open the challenge. Welcome to upload a file. Please upload a file, but make sure that it's not too large. Somewhere below 1 megabyte perhaps. Okay, so let's start by generating a file slightly smaller than 1 megabyte and see what happens. Let's start by creating a text file with random content with a size of 900 kilobytes. Let's try and upload the file. Okay, that didn't work too well. It seems it only transferred about 110K, so maybe we need to make the file smaller. Let's try with 100K then. We'll try with 100K. Request entity too large. The data value transmitted exceeds the capacity limit. Okay, so that was clearly too large. We got a 413. Request entity too large. Let's try and make maybe a 10K file, see what happens. Still too large. Okay, let's try with 1K then. Still too large. Okay. What about 100 bytes? $100, okay. Now it's too small, okay. We got a 418. I'm a teapot. Okay. Let's go for maybe 500 and see what happens. Now it's too large again. Let's go for 250. Too large. $175. Still too large. 140. large. 120. Too small, okay. So 130 then perhaps. Too large, okay. 125. This was slightly tedious, I must say, but I think we're getting there. Whoa! Not too large and not too small. We found a flag. Excellent. It's correct. Okay, great.